The AVMatrix Shark S6 is a 6-channel HDMI and SDI video switcher for live stream and broadcast purposes. This small and compact device features everything needed for live production, including 6 different channel buttons for both preview and program, a 5-inch LCD screen, a multitude of options for manipulating video, and a T-bar for transition effects. It has 4 SDI inputs, 2 HDMI inputs, 2 SDI outputs for program, 2 HDMI outputs for both program and multi-view, and 2 SDI outputs for auxiliary. This device comes in a small black and orange package. Straight out the box, everything is packed into this gray protective handbag. After opening it, you'll find the Shark S6 device itself, along with a few accessories. These accessories include a tally connector, a USB-C cable, and a power cable which will come in either US or European plug depending on the region. There is also a card which provides access to the user manual. The Shark S6 allows for IP streaming through an Ethernet port to platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Using its USB-C port, it can also be connected to a computer to capture or record video through softwares like OBS, vMix, VLC, or Zoom. Additionally, it has an SD card slot and a USB-A port for program recording. This device can also be paired with a pan-tilt zoom camera system either using the serial port on the back or through IP. The pan-tilt zoom cameras can be controlled with a built-in joystick and 2 zoom buttons for control. There is also a tally port for connecting tally lights. On the side are 2 mic inputs, a headphone output, and a line output. The LCD screen shows multiple video sources simultaneously. On the top right is the program screen. This is what is being outputted from the device. On the top left is the preview screen. This displays the video source that the program will transition to. Underneath we can see 4 SDI sources and 2 HDMI sources being displayed. On each display, the audio levels are also present. On the bottom right are indicators for recording status, streaming status, and hardware status. The Shark S6 is an incredibly efficient and practical system. Now let's go through all the individual functions of this device. The menu can be accessed by pressing this knob on the side. Twisting the knob allows you to navigate through the menu. The menu is where you can adjust and fine-tune the settings of all the function keys. To exit the menu, simply press the exit button. With all the channel buttons, you can effortlessly switch between channels, with a program row which goes directly to the output, and a preview row which prepares effects and transitions. To the right of these buttons are the cut and auto transitions which are already built into the device. On the left side of the Shark S6 are multiple useful tools. On the top left is a button that fades the video to black, and the still button that freezes the video source. Under the Effect button we get multiple video transition effects. The speed of these effects can be adjusted under the menu. The Audio button brings us to the mixer, where we can adjust the levels and control several audio sources at a time. Next are the 2 picture-in-picture buttons and 1 picture-outside picture button, which can generate overlay images. The size and position of these images can be adjusted under the upstream key section in the menu. Chroma key is a visual effects technique that combines 2 images or video streams based on color hues. It's commonly used to remove a background from a photo or video in combination with a green screen and background graphics. You can access the chroma key menu to select the desired key source and pinpoint the color you want to remove. The chroma key can be further adjusted using similarity, smoothness, spill, and opacity to achieve the desired effect. The downstream key can overlay a video over the source. This is ideal for incorporating animated images or logos into the program output. Downstream key adjustments such as source, clip, gain, and mask can be found in the menu. With the logo key, you can overlay a logo on top of program and preview sources. You can access the logo settings under the menu. Using a USB disk, you can select the desired logo under the media pool. You can also adjust the logo position, size, and opacity in the menu. Up to 8 logos can be imported and can be named with up to 11 characters. The record button begins recording the video sources onto a USB disk or SD card. The video can be encoded at a bitrate of up to 32 megabytes per second in either MP4 or TS format. The stream button begins a video live stream that can be outputted through Ethernet. It supports RTMP, RTSP, and SRT streaming protocols. The Shark S6 video switcher also can be controlled by accessing its IP address in a web browser and logging into the remote control interface. Everything from the control panel to system settings can be accessed here. For more information on this device, you can visit AVMatrixUSA.com or click the link in the description. For any further inquiries, please call the number 1-888-608-3088 or send a direct email to sales@avmatrixusa.com. This information can also be found in the description below. AVMatrix operates alongside Lilliput, a globalized OEM and ODM services provider specialized in research and application of electronic and computer-related technologies. Lilliput offers full-line technical services including industrial design and system structure design, PCB design and hardware design, firmware and software design, as well as system integration. It is a certified research institute and manufacturer involved in the design, manufacturing, marketing, and delivery of electronic products across the world since 1993.